Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to take black and white photos on an iPhone. Taking black and white photos on your iPhone can make your photography to another level. And here are the simple steps to take black and white photos on an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone, then open your camera app. Make sure you're in a photo mode. Then tap the six dots in the top right corner. Then tap the filters icon, the three overlapping circles. Swipe through the filter options. Choose black and white filter, mono, or NOR. Frame your subject on the screen. Then tap the screen to focus on your subject. Adjust the exposure by sliding the sun icon up or sliding down. Also check lighting for stronger contrast. Tap the shutter button to take the photo. Then open the Photos app. Tap Edit to fine-tune brightness, contrast if needed. Then tap Done to save your black and white photo. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.